You know how it's said, time flies when you're having fun. Not at all true. It's the opposite. Time stops when you're in alignment fully, when you're in the flow state. Time stops. Time flies when you are breathing 1,000 times per second in your beta brain, fight or flight, regular society mode. Then time flies. Because nobody has time for anything. Time just goes. You have no time. You're lacking time. But if you're in flow state, in play mode, in creative mode, if you're having fun, 2 hours, it's like an eternity. Eternity. You're sipping on that eternal tea. Taking slow sips like you got centuries. And fun fact, you can have centuries. You just got to know how to regulate your breathing, your nervous system, your emotions, your cycles of everything, breathing, sleeping, eating, connecting with nature, disconnecting with nature, connecting with people, disconnecting with people, cycles of the sun and the moon, cycles of the earth, seasons of eating, seasons of fasting, seasons of creating, seasons of destruction. And then time stops if you're having fun. Suddenly you don't look at the clock anymore, because clock is only a reference to another clock or to a human metric system. You got to be in alignment with these guys, with the trees, the butterflies and the bees, your own breath, the eternal breath of prana, God, nectar, energy, Jedi level nervous system mastery. This is gonna be a short video, or is it? You having fun? Is this video quick or long? On what scale? On what scale? A mosquito lives a few days. Is 3 minutes long for a mosquito? A turtle lives for hundreds and hundreds of years. Is this video short or long for a turtle? What about humans? There are humans who believe 70 is maximum. There are humans who believe 120 is the maximum. There are humans who believe immortality is possible. So what is 3 minutes? What is a week? What is a year to a mosquito? What is a year to a turtle? What is a year to a human? What is a year for an elf? For an immortal being, enjoying the being, not trying because trying is dying. You gotta use the prana as fuel and you gotta be flying. So yeah, a quick reframe, you know. We are time lords, time benders, death enders, life contenders, and the only competition, well, is there any? There's gotta be some. There's gotta be some humorous kick to competition here. Your competition is with the birds who can enjoy sunshine the most. You need help with any of this? You want guidance? Nervous system balancing? Somatic balancing? One-on-one therapy? All these things? You know what to do. Human design readings. In depth. Your chart. Your design. Which thoughts are yours? Which emotions are yours? How to discharge both of those. What sexual energy, creative energy is yours, what is not. Root, pressure, proving, throat, everything. How to discharge and clean. How to know who you are. It's about consistency and it's about sustainability of energy. It's about energy usage. Human design. I'm a projector guide. I'm here to guide energy. I don't drive the plane. I'm not the plane itself. I'm the guy that lands the plane where it needs to go and says that plane needs fueling. I'm here to guide everybody's energy so they don't give their life, forfeit their life, but give everything they can in such a way that tomorrow they're refreshed and they can do it again by being aligned to their genetic code, their human design, their gene keys, their nervous system is balanced, no addictions, no anxiety, no depression, ideal elemental balancing, embodying the perfect archetype for their body type, individuals, relationships, families, neurodivergent, bipolar, autistic, ADHD, any diagnosis nobody has been able to explain, I can do it. I can help you. iCreateLines.com. Send me an email inquiry. Tell me your life situation. We can set up coaching calls through Zoom. You get recordings, you get PDFs, you get direct feedback from me. You get guided breathwork sessions, guided nervous system balancing, rebalancing sessions. Weekly, can be set up weekly, can be set up one time only. 10 or more sessions are discounted and 50% off if you're a projector type. Also, I'm a graphic designer and artist for 20 and plus years. Check out everything on the website and hit me up if you need logos, banners, posters, anything graphic wise. I work primarily with alternative businesses focused in nature, health. However, if you're there wanting that 90s and 2000s graffiti edge, stylish line, artwork, design, just check it out. You can send me messages through my WhatsApp. You can send me messages through my free Telegram channel, through the website iCreateLines.com. Find me on Instagram, donate through my PayPal, buy my audio courses, or listen to my audio courses on my Insight Timer. Everything in the description of this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe and like. You can leave a comment asking a question, and I might use the question to make a video answer about it. Peace, health, abundance, wholeness, prosperity, courage, and clarity.